In Feng Shui, wealth flows with water and energy. Traditional masters study natural water, how it comes and goes, to guide prosperity. In modern cities, roads and pathways mimic this flow, and Na Jia Water Wealth simplifies the process. Using the lunar cycle and Feng Shui's balance, Na Jia treats symbolic water as a key to wealth flow, whether it comes or goes, aligning perfectly with Feng Shui rules. Our program integrates these principles, helping you easily uncover visible wealth opportunities. Based on the measured entrance degree, follow the program's steps to discover prosperity. Start your journey today, unlock your prosperity with ease.